Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here in DC. It's a cold day here in DC. So what we're looking at here is the Washington Monument. So let me take you closer so you can have a closer look. The height of it is 555 feet. This was once the highest building in the world until the Eiffel Tower was built in France. So 555 feet. So really tall, guys. And as I said, this was once one of the tallest structures in the world. There's an elevator in the middle. You can go in and go all the way at the top and have a view of the city. So I've been in there once and I'm gonna show you guys the pictures. I think I have some videos as well, so I'm gonna share the videos and the pictures with you guys. Actually very cold. My hands are numb, my fingers are numb. Yeah, visitors taking pictures. If you look closely, that's the White House. Windy out here, guys. Windy and cold. It was snowing yesterday, so you can see the material that was used to build it. I don't know what material this is, but I'll definitely look it up and let you know the description. I can barely speak. I'm so cold. They have a reflection pool there, and as I said, that's the White House over there, right in the center of the frame. So guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but this is the World War II memorial. Let's play. if you notice, all 50 states are listed here. So you have Delaware, New Jersey, Connecticut, Maryland. Maryland, that's my state. So it goes all the way around. So guys, this is the reflection pool, and up there at the end of the pool is the Lincoln Memorial building. So as you can see, it's kind of frozen. Well, not kind of frozen. Some parts are frozen. Or there's a thin layer of ice on the lake. So guys, I'm walking along the reflection pool. The length of the pool is 2,068 feet in length. And at the top there, up those stairs, is a Lincoln Memorial. So that's where I'll be going. So I'm going to show you inside.